Welcome to Jungle Cakes. In this cupcakes, it has flour, sugar, eggs, butter, vanilla, baking powder and some salt supplies.
Only £1.50 per cupcake. A surprise animal on each cupcake. Don't miss out on our amazing cupcakes.
We are selling jungle cakes because we are trying to raise money for animals that are going through deforestation.
We think people should buy our cupcakes because we're trying to save up money for the animals that need help.
We think we should win the competition because it would make a lot of profit and we would raise a lot of money for animals in the rainforests that need help.
Thank you for listening to us.
By Rihanna, Susanna, Trinity, Honey and Maya and Kenzie.